Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 5, today we are going to see the 8th chapter in EVS, A Treat for Mosquitoes. Right? On first, these are the characters we are going to see in this chapter. First, Jaskrit, Rajat, Aarti, and Nancy. The 4 characters who are they? Jaskrit, Rajat, Aarti, and Nancy. Rajat, he is coming to the school after a long leave. Aarti, she asked, "How are you, Rajat?" He answered, "Yeah, I'm good." Jaskrit, she was asking Rajat, "You have enjoyed in your home, you have played lot of things in your home, right?" Like that she is asking. Rajat, he is saying, "Who want to play when you have fever? And even I want to take a bitter medicine too. And I had did a blood test." Like that he is saying. So Jaskrit, she is asking, "A blood test? Why? It must have been very painful, right?" Like that Jaskrit, she is asking. Rajat, he is saying, "Actually, when the needle pricked my finger, I felt like an ant bite. They took 2 to 3 drops of blood and sent it to for testing." What he is saying, they pricked his hand, they took only 2 or 3 drops of blood and they sent it for testing. That's how we came know that I had malaria. After testing, they all know that. Then only Rajat, he was able to know that he has malaria. Nancy, she is asking, "But you get malaria when a mosquito bites." Rajat said, "Yes, but we find out by the blood test." Jaskrit, she is saying, "There are a lot of mosquitoes in my house, but I do not get malaria yet." Nancy, she is saying, "You says that every mosquito bite cause malaria?" No. Malaria spread only by the disease carrying mosquito, that is a female Anopheles mosquito. All mosquitoes look the same to me. Like Aarti, she is saying. Aarti, she said, Nancy, she was explaining all the mosquitoes will not bite, will not cause malaria. Some mosquito will cause malaria. So Aarti, she said, all mosquitoes look the same as to me. But Rajat, he is saying, there must be some difference. Like that he is saying. Right? See here, this is a difference between the mosquito. This is called as a Culex, Aedes, Anopheles. This Culex, it causes some viral infection. It is called as West Nile virus. Aedes, it causes dengue fever and yellow fever. This mosquito will cause these fevers. This Anopheles mosquito, it causes malaria. Right, children? This is a female Anopheles mosquito. Only will cause malaria. See here how they are pricking and taking the blood sample in the glass slide. In keywords we have learned, right, children? What is glass slide? Glass slide. This is a glass slide. See how they are pricking and taking 2 or 3 drops of blood. After taking that blood went for testing. Dr. Mariam looking at the blood slides under the microscope. She is focusing that blood slide under the microscope. This microscope makes things look 1,000 times bigger. Imagine, look 1,000 times bigger. The detail inside the blood can be seen clearly. By seeing through the microscope, we can see a detailed view of the blood cells. There are some microscopes which make things look even more bigger than this. Some microscopes are there. It shows more bigger than the normal microscope. See here, This is a blood test of a malarian affected patient. See here, this is a normal blood vessel. The first slide. This slide is a normal blood vessel. Here we are having some small dots, right? Purplish dots. This is how they detect that this patient he is affected by malaria. Right, children? Next, after diagnosing, after testing that, the doctor, they are giving the certificate from the clinical pathology. They are giving Rajat. He is at the age of 11. He is affected with a fever of chill and rigor. They are the symptoms. They become too chill and rigor, which means shivering and high fever. Malarial parasite found in the blood sample. They have given the certificate as you are having malarial parasite in your blood sample. This is how Rajat he able to find that he is having malaria. And Nancy, she asked, did they take blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? Rajat said, of course not. How do I know where the mosquitoes bite me? Nancy, she asked, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Like that she is asking. And in this we want to learn how the mosquitoes form. Life cycle of malaria. See here, the female Anopheles mosquito will first lay egg. Then it will convert into larva. First from the egg, in the stagnant water, the mosquito will go and lay eggs. Then the eggs will grow as larva. Then it's turned to pupa. Then to the adult. This is the life cycle of the mosquito, for all the mosquito. Right, children? Be aware. You are inviting mosquitoes. What they are saying? You are inviting the mosquitoes. Be aware. They spread malaria, dengue and chikungunya. These mosquitoes, they spread malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Don't let water collect around your house. Fill up the pits. Don't allow the water to collect around your house and fill up the pits. Keep the water pot closer and tanks clean. Whatever you are having, keep the pot, coolers and tanks clean. They should be dried every week. And use mosquito net to protect yourself. Spray kerosene in water has collected at some place. If anywhere you are able to see the stagnant water, just spray the kerosene on it. On here we want to know how the malaria is spread from one person to the healthy person, from the affected person to the healthy person. The female Anopheles mosquito will suck the blood from the person, those who have malaria. The mosquito will suck the blood from that patient and it move to the other healthy man. That with the same, it will go and bite with the healthy person. So the healthy person get the malarial parasite inside his blood. So about anemia and detail, we will see in the next class, children. Thank you and have a great day.